Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to use lock and unlock layer tools in Photopea software. So get ready started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see use lock and unlock layer tools. Now firstly I am opening from the layer. Now you can see now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and pillars option. Now choose from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see then we show the layer. Now I am open from many layer. Now click from mouse right button, then click from duplicate layer, then again click from mouse right button, then click from duplicate layer. Then we show the many layer. Now we can see the three layer as layer, lock and unlock. Now select from first layer. Now click from lock, then select from second layer and click from third layer. That it's now you can see. Then I show the wall layer is lock. Then again click from first layer. Now click from all option. That it's now you can see use lock and unlock layer tools in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.